Are you tired of picky eaters turning their noses up at vegetables? With the right techniques, you can make veggies not just tolerable, but downright delicious, even for the toughest critics. In this video, we'll explore creative methods, cooking tips, and seasoning tricks that will transform vegetables into mouth-watering dishes everyone will love. Changing the preparation method: roasting vegetables in the oven at high heat caramelizes their natural sugars, giving them a crispy texture on the outside and a tender, sweet interior that's irresistible. Sauté vegetables with a mix of garlic, olive oil, and a hint of chili flakes to create a rich, flavorful side dish that pairs well with any meal. Steaming vegetables and then tossing them with a light vinaigrette not only keeps them fresh and tender but also enhances their natural taste with a burst of tangy flavor. Blending vegetables into creamy soups or sauces is an excellent way to disguise their taste while adding a rich texture and essential nutrients to your favorite dishes. Grilling vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, or asparagus over an open flame adds a smoky, charred flavor that elevates their appeal and creates a restaurant-quality side. Shredding vegetables like carrots or zucchini into baked goods such as muffins or pancakes seamlessly incorporates them into meals without altering the overall taste. Enhancing flavors with seasonings: the secret to making vegetables delicious lies in the seasoning. Experiment with bold spices like paprika, cumin, or Italian herbs to create unforgettable flavors. Marinate vegetables in a mix of soy sauce, ginger, and honey before roasting or grilling for an Asian-inspired dish that's bursting with savory sweetness. Sprinkle a small amount of Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast over steamed or roasted vegetables to add a cheesy, savory depth that's incredibly satisfying. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, or dill can completely transform simple vegetable dishes into vibrant and aromatic creations full of life and freshness. Adding a splash of citrus, whether it's a squeeze of lemon or lime, brightens up the flavor of veggies, making them taste fresher and more appealing. Incorporating veggies into favorite dishes: mixing vegetables into classic pasta dishes, like tossing roasted cherry tomatoes and spinach with creamy Alfredo sauce, makes them feel indulgent and balanced. Topping homemade pizzas with a variety of colorful veggies like mushrooms, bell peppers, and arugula is a simple way to make them more nutritious and exciting. Finally, chopping vegetables like onions, celery, and carrots to include in meatloaf or burgers enhances the flavor while keeping the dish moist and juicy. Layer sautéed peppers and onions with melted cheese in quesadillas to create a quick, veggie-packed snack that even kids will love. Tossing chopped vegetables into fried rice or noodle dishes is a great way to replicate takeout flavors while sneaking in extra nutrition. Making veggies the star: transform vegetables into a centerpiece dish by stuffing bell peppers with quinoa, beans, and spices, creating a hearty and flavorful meal. Substitute traditional pasta with zucchini noodles or spaghetti squash for a light, low-carb option that's both satisfying and packed with nutrients. Whip up a colorful and tasty veggie stir-fry by combining a variety of vegetables with a savory, homemade sauce and a side of rice or noodles. Make veggie skewers for grilling, alternating zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and mushrooms for a fun and delicious meal that's easy to customize. Swap mashed potatoes with creamy cauliflower mash or serve cauliflower crust pizza to enjoy comfort food with fewer calories and more nutrition. Hiding veggies for picky eaters: blend leafy greens like spinach or kale into smoothies, using fruits like bananas and berries to mask the taste while boosting the nutritional value. Puree cooked vegetables, such as carrots or butternut squash, and stir them into pasta sauces for added richness and hidden health benefits. Bake veggie chips by thinly slicing kale, sweet potatoes, or zucchini, seasoning them lightly, and crisping them in the oven for a guilt-free snack. Add finely grated zucchini or carrots to muffin batters or quick bread recipes for a touch of sweetness and moisture without the vegetable taste. Making veggies more fun: use playful cutters or shapes to make vegetables more visually appealing for kids and picky eaters, turning meal prep into a fun and creative activity. Serve a variety of colorful vegetables together, using rainbow carrots, vibrant bell peppers, or bright cherry tomatoes makes the plate look more exciting. Pair raw vegetables with flavorful dips like hummus, guacamole, or tzatziki to create an irresistible snack that highlights the natural crunch of the veggies. Experimenting with global cuisines, roast vegetables with exotic spices like za'atar or sumac to introduce Middle Eastern flavors that bring a whole new level of taste and complexity. Incorporate vegetables into Indian-style curries or masalas, where the bold spices make them tender, flavorful, and comforting. Make veggie sushi rolls with avocado, cucumber, and pickled carrots for a fresh and creative way to enjoy vegetables as part of a fun, hands-on meal. Making veggies convenient: pre-cut your vegetables at the start of the week and store them in airtight containers, so they're ready to use in recipes or for snacking. Stock up on frozen vegetables, they're just as nutritious as fresh ones and can be quickly steamed or added to dishes when you're short on time. Simplify veggie cooking with one-pot recipes or sheet pan meals, reducing prep and cleanup, while still enjoying flavorful, balanced dishes. Encouraging positive experiences: get picky eaters involved in the cooking process. It's a great way to familiarize them with vegetables and encourage a sense of ownership over meals. Introduce new vegetables gradually by starting with small portions and pairing them with familiar flavors to make the transition smoother. Stay persistent. It often takes several attempts to develop a taste for new vegetables, so don't be discouraged by initial resistance. Celebrate small victories, like trying a new vegetable or finishing a veggie-packed meal, and keep experimenting with recipes to find what works best. Are you tired of picky eaters turning their noses up at vegetables? With the right techniques, you can make veggies not just tolerable, but downright delicious, even for the toughest critics.